Welcome to Sawdust Maker. It's been a little while since I've recorded a video, and there's been several reasons why. One, we're moving. We're moving from Temple, Georgia down to the Savannah, Georgia area. Two, I've got to build a new shop, which I'm standing about right where it's going to be. Three, after even retiring, I've started a new business. I went in business with my son-in-law to do small construction work. Now I plan to do more videos in the future, and part of it will be building this shop. So it may be a few months before that happens, but I will continue to do videos. So until next time, get out and make some sawdust.